Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Crisp Chat on WooCommerce for support automation, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install Crisp Chat on your WooCommerce store, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. In the dashboard, navigate to the plugins section on the left sidebar. Click on Add New to find new plugins for installation. In the search bar, type Crisp Chat and hit Enter. Once the search results appear, locate the Crisp Chat plugin. Click on the Install Now button next to the Crisp Chat plugin. After the installation completes, click on the Activate button to enable the plugin. Now, go to the newly added Crisp option in the left sidebar. You'll need to create a Crisp account if you don't have one yet. Click on Sign Up to begin the registration process. Fill out the necessary details, including your email address and password. Once your account is created, verify your email if prompted. After logging into your Crisp dashboard, you'll see a unique code for your website. Copy this code to your clipboard. Return to your WordPress dashboard and navigate back to the Crisp settings. Paste the copied code into the designated field labeled Website ID. Click on the Save Changes button to ensure your settings are updated. Next, customize your chat widget according to your preferences. You can choose colors, sizes, and pre-chat forms from your Crisp account settings. Once you're satisfied with the customization, return to your WooCommerce store's front end. Refresh the page to view the Crisp Chat widget in action. Test the chat functionality to ensure everything works smoothly. If necessary, tweak settings in your Crisp dashboard for optimal performance. Congratulations, your Crisp Chat is now successfully integrated into your WooCommerce store. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.